Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which can use to change the world. Yes, my dear students, studies, education, learning, what do you say, is the only weapon which you can use to change the world around you. So, let me inform you with learning objectives for today. My dear students, from today onwards, we are going to start our syllabus, in which today we are going to start from chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Numbers up to 50. Numbers up to 50 means what we are going to learn in the whole chapter. So, here are learning objectives of chapter number 1. Means what we are going to learn in the whole chapter. Numbers up to 20 in the form of fill in the blanks. Then numbers in the form of before, between and after. Then after we will learn comparing numbers. Counting tens, building numbers, now look at the screen. What is your observation? What you have seen? This is the page number 7 from your textbook, from where the first chapter is starting. What you have seen? Girls and boys? That is your first observation, huh? Observe it carefully. What you have seen there? They are written number 1, number 11, number 14 as well. See, other places are empty. So we have to fill that with missing numbers. So would you like to try to fill that number by yourself? You want to try to fill that numbers by yourselves? Make try. I am waiting till you can complete. 1 after 2. Then what comes next? 3. Have you all completed? Four. What comes after 4? 5. Then who is writing with me? Everyone? Good. 5 after, there comes 6. 6 after, 7. Then 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So here we have completed till 1 to 10. Next we have to fill from number 11. So you all are ready? Can you solve it by yourself? Should I wait for you? Okay. 11, then 1 to 12. 1, 3, 13. We already have 1, 4, 14. So, what comes next? After 14, there comes 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So, here we have completed blanks in the form of missing number. So, I hope you all have completed with me. Now, see. Observe the picture, what you have seen. There is a train. Some animals are sitting on a train. Which animals are there? The lion, the monkey, a rabbit. Think in your mind what they all are doing there. See. What is written there? B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. A-F-T-E-R. After. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Means, yes, we are going to learn about arranging the numbers in the form of before, between and after. See, the lion, the monkey and the rabbit, they all are sitting in a line. Now, if I want to say where the lion is, what is the answer? The lion is before the monkey. So, where is the rabbit? Look, the rabbit is after the monkey. So, what is the position of monkey? Where monkey is seated? The monkey is between the lion and the rabbit. Again, the lion is before the monkey. The rabbit is after the monkey. Then, where is the rabbit? Where is the monkey? The monkey is between the lion and the rabbit. I hope the concept becomes clear. Let's make practice with the help of numbers. Write down in your notebook question 1. Write the number that comes after. Write the number that comes after. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMBER, number. THAT, that. COMES, comes. AFTER, after. You all have to write, huh? So, completed? Done? Good. First, write number 4, then make a dash. Write number 4, then make a dash. You have to make a dash after number 4. Now, say which number comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There comes 5. Four after 5. Now write down 10, 1, 0, 10, and then make a dash blank after number 10. Which number comes after 10? Yes, 1, 1, 11. 11 comes after 10. 5 comes after 4. Now, write down number 1 to 12. Then make a dash after number 12. So, number 13 comes after 12. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. Done? If possible, leave one line after completing one. Number 7. After that, make a blank and write number 8 in that blank. Number 8 comes after number 7. Now, 1, 5, 15. Then make a dash. Think in your mind which number comes after 15. Find out the answer by yourself. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 1, 6, 16. There comes number 16 after 15. Next, write down number 19 and then make a blank. Which number comes after 19? 20, 20. 20 comes after 19. So, I hope you all have completed question number 1. Write the number that comes after. Move on to the next question. Question 2. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMBER, number. THAT, that. COMES, comes. BEFORE, before. Question 2 is write the numbers that comes before. So before means the number which stands first, comes first. Now first make a dash. Then write number 5. Now tell me which number comes before 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number comes there? Before 5? 4. Write down 4. Make sure that your handwritings must be good, huh? So, completed. Now first make a dash, then write number 2. Tell me which number comes before 2? Is it 1? Who says yes? Yes, there comes 1 before 2. Have you all completed these two? 4 comes before 5, 1 comes before 2. Now make a dash and then write 1, 8, 18. So which number comes before 18? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So there comes number 17 before 18. Done? Very good. You all are writing with me? You all are enjoying? Very nice. Now make a dash and then write 1, 5, 15. So tell me which number comes before 15? You all wants to count? 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes, there comes 1, 4, 14. Write down 14. Now make a dash and then write number 1, 1, 11. So tell me which number comes before 11? Is it 9 or 10? What do you say? Which number comes before 11? Yes, there comes number 10 before 11. Now make a dash and then write 1616. Now we have to find out the number that comes just before 16. You want to try it by yourself? Try it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So there comes 15 before 16. So done everyone? Good. On a new page, write the heading. Question number 3. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMBER, number. THAT, that. COMES, comes. BETWEEN, between. Write the number that comes between. So now you all understand and you all are able to see that there are two numbers and the place between that two numbers are missing. Means we have to find out the number that comes between given two numbers. Okay. So first write 5. Make a dash and then 7. Which number comes after 5? 6. So 6 is the between number of 5 and 7. Note down this in your book. Write number 1717. Make a dash. 1919. Then now tell me which number comes between 17 and 19? After 17 there comes 18. So 18 is the between number of 17 and 19. Everyone copy this in your book. 5, 6, 7. 17, 18, 19. Write the next one. 1 to 12. Make a dash. 1, 4, 14. So which number comes between 12 and 14? After 12 there comes 1, 3, 13. So we should fill this blank with the number 1, 3, 13, 12, 13, 14. Next 1, 8, 18. Make a dash. Then write 2020. Write down everyone. Which number comes after 18? 18 after 19. So 19 is the between number of 80 and 20. 18, 19 and 20. Write down number 1 for 14, then make a dash, and 1 6 16. So which number comes here? Who knows the answer? Who will reply me? 14 after 1 5 15. 14, 15 and 16. Write down 1 5 15, then make a dash, 1 7 17. So now tell me which number comes here? Yes, number 1 6 16. 15, 16, 17. So my dear students, today we have started chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, in which today we learn numbers after, before and between as well. So in your homework today you have to complete all these questions in your maths fair book. I repeat, in your maths fair book with a very good handwriting. My dear students, at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.